All right, the next step is going to be to actually put a hole in the wall. This sounds intimidating. A lot of people say that this is what kept me from buying your unit. I'm going to show you how easy it is and how few tools you're going to need to get this done. This is an inexpensive stud finder. You can get it at Walmart, you get it at any Lowe's or Home Depot, any hardware store. A dagger saw for cutting a drywall. You can see I marked it here. I put a little piece of tape. So when I'm cutting a hole in the wall, I'm going to take short strokes so as not to go any farther than I need to and take a chance on hitting a wire. A tape measure and a level. That's all you're going to need to cut that hole in the wall. So the first step is going to be to identify a stud, whichever stud is going to be the left or the right, where you want the mirror mounted. To do that, you simply get your stud finder, you put it somewhere where you know there's going to be no stud, and I'm assuming the stud is on one of these sides here, probably the right side of this outlet. Put it here, move it over till it beeps, put a mark, go back, do it again, and this time mark where the light goes off, right there. So in the middle there, you can assume that's your stud. The next step is going to be determining how high to position your mirror. I want the top of my mirror even with this mirror I have here in our display room. It could be anything that you have over here. It could be a shelf, it could be what have you. But to make it even with the top of that, use your level, mark it, and for the 1440 it's approximately 2 5/8 below that, which is right here. So I know that that is where I need to draw my line. That is actually the top of the hole that we're getting ready to cut through there.